Ashore in day 4 of witness testimony picked up for the murder trial of DeAndre White. Asaya Howard, a close friend of White's, was the first to take the witness stand. She says she remembers Jeremiah Tabb had instigated the encounter with the other group of kids from Killeen the night of the shooting. She says Tabb was talking to a kid in a ski mask who had been previously identified during this trial as 15-year-old Tyshawn DeGrate. During the encounter, Howard remembers seeing DeGrate lift his sweatshirt and flash his gun tucked into his pants. She even said he reached for the gun. DeGrate previously testified and said it was an accident when he lifted his arms up. Howard also revealed she was standing next to White when the shots were fired, but she never saw him shoot. However, she did admit the friend group did have a mutual understanding White was involved in the mass shooting that killed Douglas Cantor and injured 14 others, and says none of their friends were mad at White because she fully believes White protected them. This testimony backs the defense's argument that White did this in self-defense.
One of them pulled a weapon out of his waistband, and that Mr. White felt that he had no choice but to defend himself and his friends.
We've heard from almost all of White's friends with him at this point in the trial. All said they did not see White pull out his weapon and shoot, but knew he was involved. Many of the detectives who interviewed these kids testified previously, saying both groups were clearly trying to protect themselves during the investigation. The state mentioned in their opening statements that the jury should expect this kind of vague testimony from both Killeen groups.
These people did not want to be involved. And for various reasons, whether it was loyalty to DeAndre White, whether it was just general opposition to cooperating with law enforcement, whether it was fear of consequences for themselves for their involvement, they did not want to come forward. They did not want to tell the truth about what happened.
Defense attorney and lawyer for the Cantor family says it will ultimately be up to the jury to decide which testimony is valid when deliberating whether or not White is guilty of murder.
And one of the things the judge will say, and they all say this to the jury, is you are the people who determine the credibility of the witnesses. And what that means is the jury is free to disregard everything a witness says if they don't believe that person is speaking the truth. And that could be very important in this case.